thank you for joining us here at Restoration Design. Today we are going to be working on the 914 Porsche. In this particular job we're going to be taking care of installing the rear trunk pan. As you can see, we've taken care of a lot of the prep work. We've drilled out all of our welds and ground down all this steel, and we've prepped it with weld-through primer. One of the things I like to mention is that we have coated the inside of the transaxle support channel with Port 15 in order to help reduce future rust. As you can see here in our floor pan, we've taken care of the prep work as well, and we've punched holes for all of our rosette welds, and I did the necessary trimming to get the size of the part that we want. Next, you want to take your part and put it into the car so that you can scribe your line along the edge to cut your existing floor. You really don't want to cut out too much of the floor, that kind of sucks. Next, we're going to use self-tapping screws in order to secure our floor in place, and use our trusty hammer to make the necessary adjustments. We've put our self-tapping screws in. Now we need to make sure that our trunk support is going to fit properly. The trunk support goes in the middle. You probably would have noticed taking it off when you were removing the existing floor. There are two holes on either end of the trunk support, but only one of them is necessary to line up. As you can see here, we've got a nice fit, and we can go ahead and weld in our trunk pan. As you're completing your rosette welds, be sure to leave lots of space between your welds to keep the steel temperature down. We've rolled the car over, and now we're going to take care of welding on our sway bar mounts. You want to double check to make sure that your measurement from center to center of your sway bar mounts match manufacturer specs. Also, I'd like to make a point that not all 914s have the sway bar mounts, so if you're installing them, make sure you get them located properly. They're pretty essential. We'd like to thank you here at Restoration Design for joining us. We're always putting out new videos. We've got lots of more work to do on our cars. So if you'd like, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks again for joining us at Restoration Design. Just a reminder, gentlemen, this is just a suggested method in order to complete your project.